Hi everyone. Today we learn how you can use this feature known as product catalog in WhatsApp business app wherein you can showcase your products or services and you can share specific links to these products here and people can directly or the customers can directly see the catalog, select a particular product and inquire around that. Let's see how to use it. For this we'll go to WhatsApp business app, go to tools, and you will see in business tools the second option, which is catalog. Click on catalog. Here you can add multiple items and even club them as a collection. So let's add an item here. Click on add new item. You can add images, you can put the name of the item, price, description, and even when you tap on more fields, you can add a link to that specific item if it's available on the website. Or also you can always hide this item or publish this item. So let's say sometimes the item is out of stock and you don't want to show it in the catalog, you can always hide this. And once it's back, you can always publish it. So you can use this feature as well. Let's add an item here. Click on add images. Here I'll choose photo. Let's say I'm going to add this. You can add multiple images as well. So if you see, I've added this navel drops here and I'm going to write navel drops. And I'm going to write, let's say, 15 ml. Here I'm going to put a price. Let's say I've put up a price. By default, it's taking in rupees because the WhatsApp account, when you create it, it can always fetch. And let's say I can add some description to it. Made with natural ingredients. So you can always put a description. Country of origin, I can add India. And if there is a link you can add, or you can let it be and simply click on save. And if you want to hide this item, you can put on hide this item and click on save. Now if you see, I already have added an item and right now it's not visible. If I'll make it visible, it will be visible to people in my catalog. Let's add another item. Let's repeat the procedure. Click on add images, choose photo. Here, let's say I'm adding this steam oil. So if you see, if you add more images, it comes as a carousel here. Let's say I'm writing as steam oil. Let's say I'm putting up a price here. You can add description, country of origin, and if you want to hide this item, put it on. If you want to keep it open, and here I'm going to add this country of origin and save. Now here you see there are these two which I have added in my catalog. Two products which I've added here in my catalog.